So, Max, is this the house right here?
Goodbye, Max. Have a wonderful evening.
Bye.
Leo packed his school bag.
So, Max, is this the house right here?
Yeah, Leo, that's the one. I'll race you to the door. Good morning, Leo.
We are late!
Max got ready fast.
Oops! Different shoes.
Your shoes, Max.
Oh no!
The bus was leaving.
Wait! Wait!
That was funny.
Welcome back, everyone. It's so great to see all your smiling faces. Let's have a fantastic year.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning, class. It is time for English class.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is not a fruit.
All right, class. Who can tell me the answer?
Oh.
All right, class. Who can solve the first equation on the board?
Me, Mrs. Sarah. Is the answer 25?
What is 2 plus 3? Five cookies?
Hello, guys.
All right, everyone. It's time for lunch. Let's head to the cafeteria.
Yay! I'm so hungry.
That is too much.
The dog took the sandwich.
Come back!
That was funny. My turn.
Oops!
What happened? Nice shot, Max.
Now it was science class.
Look at the volcano!
Boom.
Oops. My notebook. That was funny.
What did we learn today? We learned fruits, math, and science.
Pizza is not a fruit.
School was over. And then the volcano erupted with all the glitter. It was awesome, Mr. Leo.
Wow, that sounds like the most exciting science experiment ever, Max. Goodbye, Max. Have a wonderful evening.
Bye, Mr. Leo. See you tomorrow.
Today was funny. School is fun. Tomorrow, I will wear the same shoes. Good idea.
The end. See you next time.